Hey guys, are you looking OBD2 scanner for beginners? In this video I will show you top 5 best OBD2 scanner for beginners to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, ANCEL, model number, FX2000, equipped with an intuitive interface, 3.5-inch TFT color backlit large screen, 2 cutouts in the back for holding easily, strong rugged anti-slip rubber housing. The FX2000 OBD2 scanner is ideal for those new to car maintenance and diagnostics. It does not present the data in an overwhelming way, but makes it easy for a layman to get familiar with diagnosing car problems. That is why it is especially suitable for home users. Reads and displays live data stream in one graph for the 4 systems, allows you to add 4 parameters in the meantime to show the live data, which is intended to help you quickly find potential problems of the vehicle. With the help of FX2000, the vehicle system is able to detect fault codes and monitor its own condition. Number 4. Brand name, launch, model number, CRP129E+. Launch scan tool CRP129E+ is specially designed for DIY and car technicians. CRP129E+ diagnostic tool can access all available vehicle systems, such as engine, TCM, ABS, SRS, air conditioning system, steering angle system, air suspension system, etc. CRP129E+ OBD2 scanner will automatically generate a vehicle diagnostic report as a reference for vehicle inspection and maintenance. Vehicle operating data is provided in this report, and you can share and print the report via email for analysis. Online feedback allows you to submit unsolved diagnostic problems and get online engineer help. Launch CRP129E+ features all system diagnostic functions that locate all the fault codes without complex operation. Whether you are good at repair or not, you can learn more about your car before running to a repair shop and save money on unnecessary repairs with this launch code reader. With graphic displays, you can effortlessly figure out if your battery is within the normal range. It helps you to determine the battery's health status, get early warnings for possible battery and the charging system's problem. Supports 4-in-1 data display, saves, reads, screenshot, screen recording and prints health reports. Number 3. Brand name, Foxwell, model number, NT706, equipped with 4-core processor and Android 9.0 system, boot up in seconds and fast scan, easy to use to generate an accurate and detailed diagnostic health report. You do not wait too much time to scan and process the necessary information based on Windows System Scan tool. This car scanner supports scan all OBD2 modules, show you the IM readiness status before test and tell you whether your vehicle will pass the annual inspection successfully. You also take this self-diagnosis work at any time and determine if you need to replace a new car or just only need to do some simple repair work, reducing the potential driving risk and saving a lot of your maintenance costs. It's one-click Wi-Fi update, no need the annoying Windows device. Users-friendly touchscreen, more convenient to get to the next topic. Number 2. Brand name, ThinkCar, model number, ThinkSCAN Plus S7. The ThinkSCAN Plus S7 OBD2 diagnostic scanner is specially designed for any small repair. Auto stores and DIY mechanics are involved in the technical work to diagnose the car fault issues more efficiently, with choose the 5 most commonly used services accessible. ThinkSCAN Plus S7 car diagnostic scanner is Android 6.0 with 5-inch touchscreen, easy to read, operate and upgrade. The ThinkSCAN code readers and scan tools will see essential information about your vehicle in real time to aid in diagnosis in text and graph them. Just select the factor you want to display and then click Graph. The targeted factors will be shown in single graph or multi-graph, and you can merge 4 graphs together. Quickly scan the vehicle VIN and enter system diagnostics when the scan is complete. Show live data streams in text or graph like misfire data, engine RPM, transmission oil temperature, mass airflow sensor data, long short fuel trim, fuel pressure, engine coolant temp, cylinder balance rates etc. Number 1. Brand name, Foxwell, model number, NT630+, intuitive LCD display with clear operate instructions. Even a beginner can diagnose the car faults with the NT630+. Ergonomic touch with anti-collision and anti-slip cover design, comfortable for daily car diagnose work. Unique button press sound will provide the overall tactile and visual experience to notice a task has been completed or a command has been executed. The lifetime free update tool Fox Assist allows you to update software. Graph live data provide you intuitive view on car conditions. And Foxwell technical assistance will provide timely and effectively solutions.